In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share an editable Figma file. Whether you're collaborating with a team or sharing your design with a client, knowing how to properly share a Figma file is essential. So let's dive right in. To get started, the first thing you need to do is log into your Figma account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the file you'd like to share. It's crucial to ensure you've selected the correct file, as any changes made will need to be accessible to the people you're sharing with. You can do this by browsing through your project dashboard until you find the desired file. Once you have your desired file open, turn your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Here you'll find the Share button. Click on it to open the sharing options. This is where you'll control who can access your file and what level of interaction they can have with it. In the Sharing Options window, you'll notice a field where you can enter email addresses. Use this field to invite specific people by typing in their email addresses. This is particularly useful if you're working in a closed group or need to maintain control over who can edit the file. Make sure you enter the emails correctly to avoid any access issues. Next, take a look at the section titled Who Can Access. You have control over who can view or edit the file. You can set it to anyone with the link if you prefer broader access, or keep it more restrictive by selecting only people invited. This allows you to cater the access level to fit your specific needs. Additionally, decide whether each person invited can view or edit the file. Editing rights allow users to make changes directly to the document, while viewing rights restrict them to simply observing without making modifications. Choosing the right setting here is key for maintaining the integrity of your design. For added security, Figma allows you to set a password for accessing the file. This adds an extra layer of protection, particularly if you're sharing sensitive design work. Simply enter a strong, memorable password if needed. Should you wish to share your work more broadly, consider publishing it to the Figma community. To do this, fill out the necessary details such as the name and a brief description of your file. You can also upload an image to use as a thumbnail and add any final details before publishing. This makes your design available for others to view and be inspired by. If you prefer a more direct method, you can simply copy the link provided in the sharing settings and send it directly to the individuals you want to have access to the file. This is great for a quick and straightforward share. And that's it. You now know how to efficiently share an editable Figma file. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.